Okay, for 63, they want us to evaluate each rational expression. I'm going to make them improper fractions. I think that's easier. So the first one for A, 7 times 6 is 42. So 42 plus 5, 47, negative 47 sixths. And then we have a plus negative, which is minus. And 7 times 4 is 28. 29 fourths. And we need a common denominator, so we'll choose 12, right? So we have negative, that's times 2, 94 twelfths, minus times 3, 6, 87 twelfths. So negative 94 and negative 87. Let's just do that off to the side. 94 and 87 is 11. Carry the 1, 18, 181. So negative 181 twelfths is our answer for A. Let's do, so that was A, right? Let's see if we can fit B on here. Let's do it over here, right? B. So again, I'll make improper fractions. Negative 8.5 is negative 17 halves. Minus a negative, that's plus 12 13 fourths. Common denominator 4, so this is negative 34 fourths plus 13 fourths, right? So this gives us negative 34 and 14, that's 21, right? Negative 21 fourths for B. Okay, and C, let's see, we have room maybe right here for C. So we have negative 2 and 3/7, that's negative 14, negative 17 sevenths times negative 7, right? Times negative 7. That's 7 over 1, right? Negative 7 is 7 over 1. This cancels, right? And we have negative times negative, which is positive, so we get 17 for C. And the last one, let me make some room for D. So D, right, we have negative 2 1/8, that's negative 17/8 divided by 1/5, which is the same as negative 17/8 times the reciprocal, 5 over 1, right? So this gives us negative 17 times 5 is 85, right, over 8, negative 85 eighths for D. Again, we're just multiplying by the reciprocal instead of dividing.